Today, technology surrounds us, and now more than ever, students are engaged in new ways to learn. The web has become a powerful tool in that learning process, and Beacon Academy of Nevada has harnessed that power in a 24/7 online high school. Students choose from standards-based and challenging high school curriculum of core, elective, and advanced courses taught online by licensed Nevada teachers.
It allows for a lot of flexibility as far as getting your schoolwork done.
And that's what really helped me out with the tutors and staff. Every time I would go into tutoring, it would always remind me, make sure you get your assignments in.
The learning environment is great. The teachers there will motivate you, help you out, and give you that motivation you need to do your schoolwork.
I think overall it helps students learn to be themselves.
In a regular high school, there's a lot of bullying.
When I was in middle school, even elementary, I was always bullied.
With Beacon, it's not like that. You don't have any bullies and you don't have any drama like that.
Beacon Academy, I find, is very safe.
Beacon Academy's Learn Anywhere, Anytime structure allows students to learn at their pace when they want and where they want. Beacon Academy is also perfect for those who couldn't finish high school because of family or work. We allow students up to age 21 to enroll. It's no surprise that students and even parents today are looking at alternatives to the traditional 9-month school. Your family schedule may be too hectic for the rigid structure of a typical high school, or your child's learning style may not be suitable for a classroom environment. Life has ways of throwing a curveball. Beacon Academy provides students with an opportunity to succeed.
Beacon has activities and clubs like a high school, only it's virtual. So they have spring flings, they have dances, they have proms.
No, I haven't been to any of the dances, but I am going to prom, which is like a week from now. I'm pretty excited. It's going to be fun.
Blackboard platform, which is what we use to load our classes and our schoolwork in. I can do my classes sometimes on my phone or on my Nook. I haven't found a device that it can't be used on yet.
Best of all, Beacon Academy is tuition-free. Because Beacon Academy is a statewide accredited public high school, our full-time program is free to Nevada residents. Parents and students choose Beacon Academy because of our extensive network of teachers, specialists, tutors, and mentors who are personally committed to helping students realize their full academic potential.
My family and I decided to take a trip down to Mississippi to see my father off to Afghanistan. I was still able to get my schoolwork done because of the aspect that I can do my schoolwork from anywhere.
Online school, but it's built around students. That's what I loved about Beacon, that it had that kind of flexibility.
It was the only school that would take a second semester senior when I first came back from California.
I was able to go to my classes and still keep up with my schoolwork online.
I can finally say, in my family that high school was the best 3 years of my life.
Beacon Academy of Nevada is a statewide online high school that offers a unique alternative to a classroom-based education that works with your life, your schedule. Beacon Academy is committed to offering a high-quality educational choice to students who want more freedom and flexibility in their high school experience. Call, click, or come by and see why freedom and flexibility is a powerful learning tool.